Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we have something really exciting, the 2025 MG Cyberster. This is MG's first fully electric roadster, and it's a bold step into the future while paying homage to the brand's classic sports car heritage. Let's start with the design, because, let's be honest, that's the first thing that grabs your attention. The Cyberster is a head-turner from every angle. It has a sleek, low-slung profile with aggressive lines, giving it a futuristic yet classic roadster feel. The scissor doors? That's something you'd expect from a high-end supercar, and it definitely adds to the wow factor. The front end has a sharp, angular look with slim LED headlights, and the rear features a distinctive arrow-shaped light bar that stretches across the back. It's a car that demands attention, whether it's parked or speeding down the road. Speaking of speed, let's talk performance. The Cyberster comes with two powertrain options, a single-motor rear-wheel drive variant and a dual-motor all-wheel drive version. The top-spec model pushes out around 536 horsepower, which means 0 to 60 miles per hour happens in just about 3 seconds. That's seriously quick, putting it in the same territory as some high-end performance cars. And because it's electric, all that power is delivered instantly, giving you the thrilling pushback in your seat acceleration. Battery and range are crucial for any EV, and MG has packed the Cyberster with a battery big enough to give you an estimated range of around 300 miles, depending on the variant. Charging is pretty fast, too, with DC fast charging capability, so you won't be waiting around too long to get back on the road. Inside, the Cyberster is just as impressive. The cabin feels high-tech yet driver-focused, with a fully digital instrument cluster and a wraparound cockpit design. The center console is minimalist but functional, featuring a mix of touch controls and physical buttons where it matters. There's also a yoke-style steering wheel on some versions, which gives it a futuristic, almost spaceship-like feel. And, of course, premium materials like leather and Alcantara make it feel as sporty and luxurious as it looks. One of the coolest features is MG's integration of AI and smart tech. The Cyberster comes with an advanced voice assistant, over-the-air software updates, and even semi-autonomous driving capabilities. It's a sports car, but it's also packed with the latest tech to make everyday driving easier and more fun. So, what makes the Cyberster stand out? First, it's bringing back the joy of open-top driving in the EV era. Roadsters are rare these days, and an all-electric one? Even rarer. Second, it blends MG's rich sports car history with cutting-edge technology. And finally, it offers supercar looks and performance at a fraction of the price. The MG Cyberster is shaping up to be one of the most exciting electric cars of the year. It's fast, stylish, packed with tech, and most importantly, it brings back that feeling of pure driving excitement. Whether you're an EV enthusiast or just love a good roadster, this is definitely one to watch. Let me know what you think in the comments. Would you drive the MG Cyberster? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more awesome car content. See you in the next one.